Hannigan and Dave Reeker in a Honda VF 1000. Now, next off gate 4 is the 38 of Quince and Julio on the Harley Davidson 883. And the 10 bike at the back is Tony Riley and Josh Henderson on the Ducati. We're sitting ready to go, green lights on, tapes are up, and off they go. Daniel just a little bit of an issue off the start, gets the bike underway. But out in front it is that 6 of Pete Hannigan and Dave Reeker on that Honda VF 1000. Mostly followed in behind by Kyle Anderson on that 500 driver. Obviously, Kyle's getting every bit of power on that 500 down there as he comes off the turn. 1000 just has a little bit of pull off the turn, but Kyle getting that bike beautifully through the turn, pulls in right behind him. They're going to be able to face each other too. Back and forth is the 38 of Quince, followed by the 10 of Tony Riley. As Quince has a bit of an issue there, looks like they're going to have to pull him. The arms are up. The 10 of Tony Riley and Josh Henderson, and in 4th place we have the 2 of Daniel Hanley in a time of 109.34. So 109.3 around again. That's the 10 bike of Tony Riley and Josh Henderson on that Ducati, dropping into gate 1. Gate 4, heading into gate 4 now is that Peter Hannigan and Dave Reeker on that Honda VF 1000. Kyle Anderson, Nathaniel Parham on that Java there, and Quince, hopefully they've managed to sort that bike out, and Julio on that Harley Davidson 883. Right, looking good for a start. Green lights on, tapes are on, off they go. They all get away this time with Daniel Hanley and a little bit of issue last time. Looking good as they go 3 wide through 1 and 2 as they come off that turn. Distribution is a bit of vulnerability as they come through. Sort themselves out into order as they come back down. Challenge started up. Kyle Anderson sitting in behind. Kyle tries to drop that bike up the inside, does it beautifully there. As we have lost Speed Hannigan's figure, Dave Reeker on the track. He managed to get off there. Unfortunately, Daniel Hanley had to go in the front. A bike going there. Looks like Kyle Anderson's gone over into turns 3 and 4 there. Both riders are up. 8-3. Right, as they're looking good for a start now. Green lights are on, tapes are up, and off they go. The VF 1000 gets a great run, but it is the 10 who takes the lead into the middle of the turn. Who's going to come off the turn first? Tony Riley does a great job as they come back round into 3 and 4. Side by side, a great job. Across the right at first. Pretty much a dead heat, pretty hard to decide from up here. And we're right on the line. A great job with the VF 1000, just as a little bit more pull. There's the big header again. They get back through a great couple there for side by side racing. As Quince gets really wide. Just manages to hold it off the wall there. Allows Daniel Hanley just to get away there, so they come back through now. Out in front it is the 6 of Pete Hannigan on that Honda. Tony Riley on the Ducati. Then we have Daniel Hanley on the Triumph and Quince on that Harley Davidson. Daniel Hanley's doing to get quite out wide coming off turn 2. They got back down now. The receiver checking back and it's the 6 of Pete Hannigan and Dave Reeker, followed by the 10 of Tony Riley, Josh Henderson, Daniel Hanley next, and we have Quince and Julio in 4th place in a time of 1 minute 11.41. Now Quince heading into that gate 1, looking for that slightly drier patch on the inside. He's gone quite a long way right into the pole line there. place now. Getting ready for a start. As he green light going to take two up and off they go. Nice and real even start. Who's going to get that? It is the Bikers. Tony Riley out there in the front. The 6 bike. Pete Hennigan just got pushed a little bit right as they come off. Come around there struggling in front. Look up the inside. Who's going to take that second place? It's going to stay with Tony Riley. Prince is just having a look. As he comes back through, he can't quite pull him in. He's just sort of dropped back slightly into the clutch. Cleanly here. Can't find out why he's running. Comes back up and out in front. It is that Ducati of Tony Riley and Josh Henderson out in front. Did a great job with that BF 1000 Honda. Beginning to get the second place. Third place at Harley Davidson. Prince and Julio just doing a great job there with Daniel Hanley with that Triumph, just trying to pull him in now. He's nice and close now. They're going to be able to get them off the turn. They sort of drop in there. Come off the turn in a very, very similar place. As the red coat, Tony Riley and Josh Henderson with the 6 of Pete Hennigan and Dave Ricker. Quince Alverson and Julio in 3rd place and Daniel Henley in 4th place in a time of 109.28. 109.28. Now, because they had Harley Davidson coming into the line next. Right, looking really good for a start. For the finish of the first meeting, green lights on. Up they go. They go in, almost 3 wide into turn 1. Great job there. That looks to me like Chuck and Darryl on that bike out there. So Chuck and Darryl out in front. Teach me not to look at the leathers, just look at the bike. Second place we have the team of Tony Riley and Josh Henderson. There's the Ducati as they come back around. Third place we have Prince and Julio on that Harley Davidson 887. Chuck and Darryl having a little bit of fun at the end of the day on it's been hard work for the whole day. They come back through, getting an extra ride in here. They come back around now. It is Chuck and Darryl coming around to take the chicken flag on that VN 1000. Come around now to take them in. Followed by the 10 of Tony Riley and Josh Henderson on the Ducati. And the Harley Davidson 883 with Quince and Julio crosses the line next in a time of 109.82. 109.82.